Hello my friends, this is Karina from karinawisdom.com and I am back with day 13. And no, I can't say it in Spanish. Sorry peeps. Sorry my Spanish folks. Yeah, kind of lost that skill when we got to day 10. Anyway, so we are on lucky number 13 and how am I feeling? I'm actually feeling pretty good. I've been in the flow today. It's a weekend. I have a lot more time to get things done. And what happened to make me feel in the flow and to be having this amount of momentum as the day continues? Well, first of all, I have my why. I know why I'm doing this. And because of my why, there's no way that I can allow myself to stop. Let me just borrow from Dr. Puff Daddy. Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop and I won't stop just because of my why. That's the first thing. The second thing is, I must admit, I have to be totally honest with you because that's one of the things that I've said with this journey. I'm not going to hide anything. I'm not going to hold anything back. I'm going to be really truthful and straight up with you with whatever is happening and whatever I'm experiencing while I'm on this journey. So you know that from day 5 to day 7, I've put together this amazing plan for the next 7 days. It's supposed to have me focused. It's supposed to have me go everything. And it's supposed to create massive momentum towards my goal because every single action that's on that list is all aligned with my ultimate goal of 5K or more in less than 100 days. Now, what happened? Well, first of all, I thought to myself, let me do my DMO first, get it out of the way, and then I can focus on my special project. And you know, my special project is building my value funnel. The first couple of days, it didn't work out that well. I had other things going on that I had to take care of, and that was like on day 2 into my 7-day period. Okay, by day 3, I got up, I'm focused, I'm like, let's do this, right? I said, DMO first out of the way, got my DMO done, started working on this, made a little headway. I think it did the outline of everything. That was day 3 of my 7-day plan. Day 4, I was really pushing to get the DMO done and then focus on the special project, but then I had such a long coaching session with my coach that it never happened. And what's the awesome thing about the way that I've set up the DMO, if I have completed a DMO, then I've met my minimum requirement for the day. That's how everything is set up. So when you start your own online business journey, do a minimum requirement for each day. That will be a part of your DMO that when you have done it, you know that you have done something towards building your business. Day 5 into this 7-day thing, I realized that, yeah, this original idea is not really working out. And it was really late in the night, and I still pushed through and I got it done. And it was because I watched this video, this motivational video. And that's really the reason why I have one motivational video to watch each day on my DMO, because it's there to keep me in the peak mindset, because 80% of this is your mindset. The other 20% is mechanics, because if you're not in the mindset to get it done, it ain't happening. So it was really after I watched that video that I knew there was no way, absolutely no way I could go to bed without at least doing a couple of things towards a special project. So I ended up spending like 2 hours doing something towards the special project, doing some research. And when I was done, I felt really good. I really stuck with it. But it was my mindset that pushed me to do that, because if my mindset wasn't set for that, you know I'd be in bed already, right? Okay, so now we're on day 6 of my 7-day plan, and I woke up this morning and I knew something had to change. Because the definition of insanity is doing the same thing every day and expecting a different result. So day 1 to 5 didn't work out. We need to shake up things on day 6 because we need to make this happen. My why is so big that I really need to make this happen. There's just no other choice. Okay. So what did I do differently this day? What did I do differently today that's put me in the flow? Well, I flipped things on its head, right? I actually went after my special project first. The only thing I did from my DMO this morning was to watch the one motivational video that puts me into that peak mindset. And you can catch those motivational videos when you go to my channel on YouTube, KarinaWisdom.com. You'll see my playlist. Because all these videos that I watch to put me in peak mindset, I actually add them to a playlist, like keep motivated, all fired up, or something like that. Well, there are only 2 playlists there. There's one for the journey and one for this. So check out the other one. And you'll see the videos that I've been watching. Now, after I've watched the video, then I started working on this, my value funnel. And man, was I on fire. I've been cutting through everything because I said, I am going to leave my DMO to the end. Why would I risk that? Why would I risk leaving the DMO to the end when the special project was the one that I'd leave to the end and it wasn't done? Well, you see, the DMO is kind of already a habit in some sense of the word. So for me, it would be really, really difficult for me to go to bed and not do my DMO than it is for me to go to bed and not do my special project. A special project is not a habit. It's just here for the week. So I know that my DMO is really the lifeblood of my online business. So there's no way I'm going to go to bed without it being done. So this is my new strategy. I'm liking it so far. So that's the first tip when it comes to a plan. The first thing I did was I switched it up. The second thing is, well, the very first thing is to make the plan. The awesome thing about plans is you can tweak them. So unfortunately, it took me until day 6 to figure it out. But hey, better late than never. So I switched it up, made a plan, tried it out, didn't work out as well. I switched it up. Why didn't I just extend the deadline for the plan? Here's why. That's the second key point. Have a deadline. My why is too big for me to keep putting this off. So I'm going to do everything in my power, everything humanly possible to get this done. And I know I can. And this is kind of like the gun to the head mentality. Because if I get into the habit of giving myself a break just because I couldn't pull myself together from the beginning of the week, then of course I'll always be giving myself that break. So I'm giving myself no excuses. I'm going flat out, doing as much as I can until the end of day 7 of my 7-day plan, which is tomorrow. So far, I've made really, really great progress. I'm so super, super proud of myself. If you look down in the description below, you'll see the link to my blog. You click it and you'll be able to access my did sheet for today. When you check out my did sheet, you'll know that I'm totally on fire, and I don't expect the one for tomorrow to be completely different. Remember to click like on this video and also subscribe to this channel so you always get the latest video. My friends, planning is important. You plan for success. Your plan doesn't have to be as big as mine, or it could be bigger if you have more time, or it could be a smaller plan. The most important thing about your plan is that you implement it and you are consistent. And you stick to the plan, stick to the plan, stick to the plan. Thank you for watching this video. This is Karina from KarinaWisdom.com signing off. Boom.